Hello, मेरे दर्शकों. My name is Darshini and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I speak more and do things less. आज पता नहीं मुहूर्त किधर से निकला. Finally, I'm doing this video, which was requested by most of my Instagram people बहुत महीनों से. That is my curly hair routine.
क्या?
नहीं
हाँ
नहीं मानता, यकीन नहीं हो रहा.
मुझे भी.
पहली बार है ना. चुप रहे.
Every time I do this curly hair routine, I always remember that I have to shoot, but I forget and थोड़ी lazy हूँ. आज भी मैं सुबह सुबह उठी and I'm like आज मैं करूँगी, but मैं वापस सो गई and the video never happened. So it is currently I think 12 p.m. I woke up half an hour back. Now I'll do this. मेरे बालों का हाल बेहाल है, but हम उसको ठीक करेंगे. This is not my real hair.
What?
मतलब these are my real hair, but I straightened them and I've done shit with it. Routine. First, what I do is I'll first oil my hair. तो अच्छे से उसको तेल लगाऊंगी. I might keep for 45 minutes and then I'll have a shower and उसके बाद मैं दिखाऊंगी. थोड़ी घबरा जा मेरी याद तन्ने आजा, तू दे दी आवाज रे मैं आ जाऊंगा. तोड़ दुनिया की रीत लेके हार लेके जीत मन में चाहिए तेरी प्रीत मैं निभा जाऊंगा. पौड़ा बना दी मन ने लिखना सिखा दी मन ने नहा के तो हम आ गए. As you can see that my hair is literally dripping wet and it should be like this. Okay. So पहले मैं detangle कर रही हूँ. And then I just do this. So the first one I'm using is the Super Defining Curl Cream. This should be applied on like soaking wet hair. So इसको मैंने खोला भी नहीं. कभी भी कर्ल प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ कंजूसी नहीं करना चाहिए. ओके, सो आई एम टेकिंग अ गुड अमाउंट. For the next step, what I'm going to use of curl up. I'm taking little for like few sections, and then I like just rub it all over, and then you just take like little sections of your hair, and then you do this. Finger coil it, and you just leave it like this. You see? Pretty. So I'll be keeping on doing this. इसमें बहुत टाइम लगता है, so just finish it with my whole hair and I'll be back.
2000 years later.
So मैंने कुछ तो किया है, अच्छे से scrunch वंच किया है, and after this what you can do is you can either air dry it or you can use a diffuser. So अभी मेरे पास उतना पेशेंस नहीं है कि मैं एयर ड्राई के लिए वेट करूँ और बाद में आपको दिखाऊँ. So हम diffuser के साथ जाएंगे. So I'm gonna use it like on the lowest mode, like on the first this, and ज़्यादा heat में नहीं use करूँगी. So I guess you can see how my hair is looking right now. Actually, it's like crunchy, I can say. So now I'll just scrunch it, and the curls will be a little loose. Okay. And they'll become a little soft and very nice. See this side, and now the ones which I have not crunched. I hope you can see the difference. Like I can feel it. See, even while looking, the volume wise also. See, after the scrunch, that's my hair. Pretty, right? So, to look more pretty, let me do a quick transition. I'll just change and do a little makeup and come. थोड़ा मेकअप शेकअप करके थोड़ा अच्छे से इसको ढंग से I'll do something and I'll be back. Can you see? My curls are curling. So that's how I do my hair, just with 2 products. That is, all you need for curls is first of all you need curly hair. Secondly, you should like nicely condition your hair. Once you finish conditioning your hair, and like once you wash off everything, like after having a bath, like if possible, tabi ke tabi laga do cream, like the defining cream. Once you apply the defining cream, it's all done. Like defining gel, like if you want, you can use. Like I started using the defining gel recently. Like before that, I used to never use the defining gel. I used to use just the curl cream. But defining gel के साथ like it holds for a longer time and it stays well. Like even on your second or your third day, like your curls can remain like this. Also, you can use while night when you sleep, like you should take like proper care of it and sit like ऐसे ही सोना. You should use a silk cover pillow so that you know your hair doesn't break down, and also सुबह जब उठते समय उतना mess up जितना तुम cotton pillow cover से सो के उठते हो. And that's all what I do. So this is a silk bonnet that I use at night while sleeping. Like you can like shove all your hair inside it and just wear it, and सुबह तक you won't have any too frizzy hair. You'll have a good this. You can just spray some water and then just crunch it off. That's it. So simple. Simple तो नहीं है. I wouldn't call this a simple routine, but hats off to those people who like do this routine like mostly like every time. Like मेरे से तो नहीं होता है. मैं यार महीने में एक बार करती हूँ. Like if I have a nice shoot or something. Like if I want to shoot something nice or if I'm going somewhere out or something. नहीं तो like I just have a bath, just blow dry or just air dry my hair, because my work only is like that. Like I can't leave my hair and go like do something. I have to tie a bun for duty, so I can't help it. I so wish that I had a 9 to 5 job, but here I am. Also, you can do a lot of hairstyles with curly hair. Like you can do this. One thing that I like to do once I do my curl hair routine is this. Like feeling Moana is all that I need in life. Sometimes all you need in life is a Moana like me. So in the meanwhile, you know, while I got ready, I had kept noodles for me to have. नूडल्स बालों के साथ नूडल्स खाने का मजा ही अलग है. So in the meantime, like when I was getting ready, मैंने नूडल्स रखा था खाने के लिए ताकि मेरे बालों के साथ मैच करे. बहुत लोग मुझे बोलते हैं नूडल्स बाल. So मैंने सोचा नूडल्स और बालों दोनों को मिक्स करूं और मैं नूडल्स खाते खाते अपनी कर्ल रूटीन करूं. But if you like my video, then obviously you need to press the like button. So like, comment, share, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know for what you're waiting. So subscribe to my channel now, and also don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications whenever Darshini posts. Until I see you next time, sayonara. This is Darshini signing off. Bye.
ஒத்துக்கடி பொடி நக்கல வச்சிரு தவள டிக பவழ மல்லிய கட்டிக்கவா நான் பவழ மல்லிய கட்டிக்க